So far, I've learned the importance of how to pull cable.
What I've learned in this business is how to tip fiber.
I've learned how to do access control, like door systems.
The newest thing I learned is how to bid work.
Coming from a coax background, you kind of pretty rough, pretty rigid with the equipment, the cable. Kind of learn how to finesse and actually, take the time to make sure things are right, basically.
So my favorite project would have to be any of the Lidl projects.
I definitely like the Lidls.
My favorite job so far has been ones like Lidl.
New construction, lots of work, lots of dress work in the ladder tray, in the MDF, in the cabinet. That's my forte.
They are very organized, and the one thing that I love is organization.
But my favorite task is doing patch panels. I just love to do them. You can make them look great, really make the job stand out. It's something I enjoy doing too. You take your time, you do it right, it looks beautiful, and the customer's usually very happy on the looks of it.